Let's flip the script on aging for a second. Most of us are taught to chase the big goals, big reinventions, big dreams. But research tells a different story. People who age well don't necessarily have more money, or more achievements, or big adventures. They have more tiny things they look forward to. A ritual at 4 p.m., a weekly coffee, a dog who insists on evening walks, a granddaughter who sends voice notes, a neighbor who checks in, a class they attend, a hobby they are terrible at but love it anyway. These aren't fillers, they are fuel. And in the second half of life, fuel matters more than fireworks. In this episode, we unpack why tiny routines, micro connections, curiosity, and purpose are powerful predictors of happiness and health, and how you can build a life that actually keeps you going. You don't need to reinvent yourself, you just need one small thing to look forward to tomorrow. Thank you.